Ready? Sungugan niyo, Sen.
Dili, zoom ka. Balbugdan lang mo ha. Kidulan na kiwi.
Video.
Oh, sound na din. Paklaro sa datong ilok diya. Ano yan?
Ito, maganda.
Ay! Mek, I love you, Mek.
Some things don't work and that's the way love goes. I get it, I get it, I get it, I get it.
Uy, naman si Lodo. Wait, saya.
Apit na, sir. Sandal mo lang.
My God.
Balik. Baro, may picture me.
Let's have the immediate family of immediate family of the groom, please.
Hello guys, we're done. Naong sa way to. Okay. Aring kopi. YouTube.
Sa atong wedding entourage, mga principal sponsor, yeah, secondary sponsor, and groomsmen, atong bearers and
Lululup, nagjijimun. Ajujua.
Kapoy naman ko guys. Padong nami sa Jamraklan. And the Jamraklan na naman again. Katawiran na. Ano ba?
Yung kubaw no?
Kaya na. Ay, wala pa lechon. Na
Ah.
lechon.
Ay, lechon. Gigutom. Lechogas.
Gutom. Kita sa lechon.
Plastic guys. Ang plastic guys, andam na.
Andam ng plastic. Hindi ka so daw, Lex. Duck.
Siskoy.
At this point, I assume that everyone has settled down, and let's give our eyes. And we are all ready to welcome the newlywed. Today calls for a grand celebration, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you for a and give our warmest welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Eileen and Marvin Otero. A round of applause, please. Look ito yung round, oh. Kana, merry-go-round. Go. Ano mo yung sketch of Bonsu? Hold on, start. Hold on sa mga. Okay, go. Stop. Sketch of Bonsu, libas. Okay, also yung ating nagama sipang bakbak ang ating newlywed, ang Mrs. Otero. You may now take your seat, couple. You may now take your seats. Atong groomsmen and bride, thank you so much.
And remember sa mga inahan sa aming mga Junakis, palihan ko magkuha sa
Okay, so atong pasalamatan besh ang atong mga cast of atong
Yes.
wedding entourage na atong mga principal sponsor, thank you so much. Atong bearers and flower girls, atong bridesmaid and groomsmen, atong maid of honor, atong best man, and atong parents sa atong newlywed, and atong couple.
Yes.
Once again, congratulations, Eileen and Marvin, and the best wishes to both of you.
Who knows it's you I pray for? Who knows it's you I pray with? Who knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief? He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this crown. And as I walk down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life.
Backlift ng bright.
All we know is he knows when we follow his directions. Even though life is short, we'll share from every salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will return.
Hindi maligo.
Ayun ang yapon mo.
Sa huli pa rin sa'yo sa huli palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman nung iyakulan ikaw ang paborito kong pagpapaligiran.
Ano na, babe? Ato na.
Ikaw ko palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong ibig sa mga
Sing, sing, sing. Sing.
with all my heart and soul. Why did you go? No words can say my love, please take to share. You and I'm
Sana lang ka
Ha?
Nakita akong buktol. Okay. Papildi ay. Okay, so sige na. Slice na.
Once again, a round of applause please.
Alright. Okay, so kinsa. Okay, so unaw na to ang grooms nga hungitan ang bride. Pwede matubangan na. Makita ni sir o padampli na sa ni sir.
Tako.
Pasensya na ka sir. Okay, so sunod na sa namungit ang bride na pan.
For the success of our newlywed.
Let's cheers everyone.
Let's cheers everyone.
Cross yung kamay dapat. Tunga magtungab. O, tingot. Inom. Kayo to.
Sila po sila o kalasan. Maayong panglawas.
Kasi sa punin mo, Bin.
Pero
Kato sa'yo,
postpone ni tungod sa mga nabulian. Turistic ato hindi
Kami na aming mga problema, hindi po nila nila sa umaabot po nila ko sa kuan sa I love you so much.
when the bass gets bumping up in the club. Pour another shot and show me some love.
Katapusan na to ni.
Party going, ladies to the front. Now
Iyawan ko rin ka sa tubangan.
and turn the music up when the bass.
Laan paligid ko. Welcome to the club.
community.
Kasama na siyang Albert ka. Sabay ka siya, Albert.
Winnie out as Alberto. Pour another shot and show me some love. I wanna get the party going.
Tara nga, Castel! Tara nga!
Isa magsubad na.
And turn the music up when the
What's the good?
Dapat ko na sumagpili sa likagunan. Stage dance niya.
I wanna get the party going. Ladies to the front. Now let me see you shake it and turn the
Oy, may
music up.
intermission sa mga taga Metro Air. Intermission, Metro Air. Kaya ka ba? Sunda siya.
Grab another bottle.
Sunda.
Party with some love.
Wala na dyan mga bata.
Palagi mo sa iyo. Sayaw mo, iwan kumawan mo. Say shara. I'm not going to play for demonstration. Okay.
10 times sing asibing nga. Para kayo sunod?
O, dami Troy na.
Wow!
She my nigga for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets. Cause I know that she gon' keep her. Ain't nothing come between us. That my man.
Hoy, spoon prank! Spoon prank! Hoy, spoon prank! Ketchup boy!
Paglalaban eh, paglalaban ba? Paglalaban lakon, paglalaban eh. Minahal kita, minahal
Atakingon mo ba ng ketchup boy? Thank you for calling. Thank you.